going to be a gradual process, but eventually we do see those cooler temperatures. So you hit the nail on the head, Steve. Cooler weather is on the way. It's going to take a little bit. Tonight will be a touch cooler than where we've been over the past few nights, but it's still going to be hot over the next few hours. Take a look at the hourly forecast here in Seattle. We're in the 90s right now. We're going to hold on to those low 90s over the next 3 hours. So if you have any plans this evening, if you want to go sit out on the patio or do a workout, wear light clothing. It's going to be uncomfortable for the next few hours, and we're going to hold on to temperatures near 80 all the way through 9 p.m. And you can even see after midnight, we're still seeing those temperatures in the 70s here in Seattle. But by early tomorrow morning, we do fall finally into the 60s here in Seattle. The mildest temperatures will be from Everett to Seattle and Renton, where we have a lot of concrete, including on the east side in Bellevue. But notice a little bit farther west, we're going to see cooler temperatures by tomorrow morning. 54 in Shelton. Maybe have that cup of coffee outside tomorrow morning. 54 in Olympia. Open that window up, let it cool your home off, because it's going to heat back up by tomorrow afternoon. So we're sitting at 94 right now in Seattle. Not a record, but this is several degrees above where we should be. Normally, we should be around 78. From Seattle south, mid to upper 90s right now. 99 in Chehalis, 97 in Olympia and Puyallup, as well as Shelton. Even 90 right now for my friends up I-5 there in Snohomish County and Everett. Because of the hot temperatures, and the temperatures just not cooling off quickly, excessive heat warning continues all the way until 11 p.m. tonight for the pink shaded areas. A large part of central southern Puget Sound, the Kitsap, Hood Canal, as well as the Cascades. This will be replaced at 11 p.m. with a heat advisory for those same areas, the orange shaded areas. And this actual heat advisory for the coastal parts of Washington and the North Coast will expire at 11 p.m. So if you have to do any outside work, not only this afternoon and evening or tomorrow, you want to make sure that you take frequent breaks, stay hydrated, wear the sunscreen. You know the drill. Highs tomorrow are still going to be borderline hot. 89 in Seattle. It's going to be a little bit cooler, but it's still going to be warm from really Puget Sound east into the Cascades. But notice how much cooler it is a little bit farther west, even into Mason County. 83 is that forecast high in Shelton, 71 in Hoquiam. Now, some changes possible. Something I'm keeping an eye on for maybe a little bit of moisture next week is actually all the way down in the eastern Pacific. Tropical storm Hillary just developed. It has sustained winds at 40 miles per hour. It's expected to lift toward the north pretty rapidly, possibly pulling some moisture into southern parts of California and the desert southwest Sunday into Monday. These are those red colors that you see. That's some of that mid and high level moisture in the atmosphere. And watch what happens. Models suggesting a trough could try to scoop some of this into parts of the Pacific Northwest by the middle of next week. So this is something I will keep an eye on. Maybe we get some mid and high level moisture, and just maybe we could squeeze out a shower or two. Nothing official yet, but that's something I'll keep an eye on over the coming days. We're down to 78 Friday, 79 on Saturday. We see a little spike in temperature Sunday, 80 for a high fire danger, but we do start to cool back off into the upper 70s by the beginning of next week. Jessica?